Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Asphalt 9 Legends on my Redmi Note 3. First, you want to download the Asphalt 9 zip file from the description box below. There is a link. Open the link in a browser and download the zip file. I'm already downloaded it in my phone. So I open the form and extract this file. You can use any extraction tool for extracting the zip file and select the folder and extract it. It will take some time to extract the entire file. After the extraction is done, open the folder and first install the APK file and click install. Then do not open this file now. Click done and copy or cut and paste this data file folder to your internal storage, Android folder, OBB folder, and paste it. After pasting it, go back and you need to download two applications. One is Lucky Patcher and other one is GL Tools. The link is given in the description. First install Lucky Patcher. Click done. Next install GL Tools. Click done and open the Lucky Patcher. You want to root the phone to use Lucky Patcher and grant permission. You can see the Asphalt 9 A9 APK. Click on that. You can get a list and click on the menu of patches. Sometime it will take some time. You do not want to update, click no, and once again click on menu of patches. If this shows more than a minute, click home button and open the Lucky Patcher again, or go back or Now it's came, and you want to click remove license verification. Click on that and select auto modes, and in auto modes there is a tick. Do not want to change anything here. Click apply, and this will take some time. After a few minutes the are done. After the process done, click OK. Don't mind the failed process. These two fast process are important. Then exit the lucky picture. Then open GL tools. There also we can see that A9 Asphalt 9 APK. Open the APK. Enable custom setting for this app. Tick this box and came down. Use fake GPU info. Use fake CPU RAM info and use a template. I am using and recommending Tegra 4 Shield and exit. Asphalt 9 is only available on Philippines now, so I am using a VPN to connecting the Philippine server and use Asphalt 9. I am using Express VPN. Go to store and search Express VPN. I already installed it, so I am opening it and choose a location and search from Philippines or Singapore. Connect to the server. Okay, now VPN is on. Minimize it and open the Asphalt 9 now. At first time it makes some time to load. After it will load fast. Good experience. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.